Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazo ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
Out of the 3 missing bodies that were washed away from the cars, 2 have been recovered. Unfortunately, there are no more.
Sebebane abantu abashonile ngenxa yezikhukhula ezihlasele ezingxenyeni zesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal ngemva kokutholwa kwezidumbu zabalisa ababili abamuke nezimoto zabo eManzimtoti eningizimu yeTheku.
Andalala sonke umqondo cambala lapha. Andabajonga kobajonga ngoko nimamela isibhamu qha manje kudutshulwa manje kudutshulwa.
Umnikazi wendawo yokucima ukoma okudutshulwe kuyona abantu kwashona abayisishagalolunye eBekkersdal eNtshonalanga Randi uthi namanje usaqhaqhazela ngemva kwalesi sigameko esishaqisayo.
This is not about the NFP in government implementing its own manifesto with partners who have respected the integrity of the mandate.
Usemisiwe emsebenzini usihlalo we-NFP KwaZulu-Natal uMbali Shinga ngemva kokuthi ephikisane nomyalelo weqembu wokuvotela isiphakamiso sokungabethemba ubuholi bukaNdunankulu wesifundazwe uThami Ntuli.
Signori Dominic, who was in call for that friendly against
Njengamanje iBafana igadulisana neAngola emidlalweni wokuqala we-Africa Cup of Nations eMarrakesh kwelaseMorocco. Mbukela sibingelele sikamukele indaba yenza kusihlwa enizethulilo noxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabanganeli mhlophe qa. Sibonga kakhulu kembukeli uhlanganyela kanye nathi namhlanje kusihlwa. Sekuboshwe abasola ababili mayelana nesigameko sokubulawa komsakazi obebuye abe usomabhizinisi uWarwick DJ Warastock. Labo bobabili bathathwe amaphoyisa namhlanje beyophekwa ngembuzo kanti manje sebeboshwe ngokusemthethweni. Okhulumela amaphoyisa eGauteng uBrenda Muridili uthi labo bobabili bazovela enkantolo ngoLwesithathu. Sesenyukele kwabane isibalo sabantu abashone ngemva kokuhlasela kwezikhukhula ogwini lwesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal izolo ntambama. Idumbu zamadoda ababili kwabathathu anyamalale ngenkathi imoto abebehamba ngayo yemuka eblohweni iBonside ngaseManzimtoti zitholwe amathimba abhekele ukusesha nokutakula namhlanje.
Kubikwa ukuthi kushone abantu ababili eNyandezulu naseMzumbe ngenxa yezikhukhula ezihlasele izolo esifundazweni. Kusenjalo kusathungathwa umuntu oyedwa kwabathathu okukholakala ukuthi bemuke namanzi eManzimtoti kanti abanye ababili bakwazile ukuphuma emotweni bebehamba ngayo basinda.
For now, we have received reports that out of the 3 missing bodies that were washed away from the cars, 2 have been recovered. Unfortunately, there are no more. And early in the morning, we paid a visit to the family of Ele, wherein they also lost a member of the family.
Iziphathimandla KwaZulu-Natal zithi imvula enamandla idale umonakalo kwezinye izingxenye zesifundazwe. Emagate ogwini olusenyakatho nesifundazwe imigwaqo iphenduke imifula engenisayo, amanzi aphinde angene enqanqathela yezitolo eShelly Center.
Of the center, they informed us that they do have a drainage system which is working quite well, but the rain that occurred yesterday was quite a heavy rain. That is what we are talking about when we say we need to invest as government in the infrastructure. We need to put more investment. We will be working together with the local mayors and the district mayor to ensure that we put together and informed by technicians or engineers a report that will invite more investment to the infrastructure in the area.
Izangoma zezulu ziqagula ukuthi lizoqhubeka nokuyidliva kuleli sonto likaKhisimusi.
Umnikazi wendawo yokucima ukoma okudutshulwe kuyona abantu kwashona abayisishagalolunye uthi namanje usaqhaqhazela ngemva kwalesi sigameko esishaqisayo. Uthi akazi nokuthi uzoyibhekelwa ubani imindeni yalabantu abashonele endaweni yakhe futhi usecabanga nokuyivala ingasasebenzi. Lokuza emva kokuthi iqulu lamadoda ligasele endaweni yokucima ukoma lavulela ngenhlamvu kwashona abantu kwathi abanye balimala.
Le ndawo yokucima ukoma iyona kanye la kugasele khona iqulu lamadoda behloma izingovolo afika vulela ngenhlamvu kwagcina kushona abantu abacele 10 kwathi abayishumi balimala kanzima. Umnikazi wale ndawo uthi konke kwenzeke phambi kwamehlo akhe.
Lapha ethaveni bangena abanye bavule emafrijini baphathatha utywala oyi1 ndiye ndambona kapho bengicashe khona uye waye endaweni enemali wafika wathatha imali. Emveni koko baphuma xa bephuma bayatsho izibhamu zatsho ndiyoyika uba ndingathengisi mina into endiyibona izolo.
Umama uNokuthula Nzoyi uthi uzamile ukusindisa impilo yesihlobo sakhe besidubuleke izinso kodwa sifike sashonela emtholampilo.
Ilungu lomndeni wami lidutshulwe lalimala lana saliphuthumise ekliniki balidubule ezinsweni mayifike ekliniki kula ufike washonela khona ekliniki. Akashonelanga zeki la ethaveli abanye ke bashonele khona la ethaveli abanye besibathuthile bashonela khona ekliniki.
Osinde kulesigameko nayo bengaphakathi kuphuzwa uthi kudingeka ukuthi azenze umuntu oseshonile ukuze inswelaboya ingamdubuli.
Wabathe nxa bengena ndeyahlapha ephulini ndacambalala phansi andalala sonke umqolo ndacambalala phansi andabajonga ngobajonga ngoko ndimamela isibhamu qha manje kudutshulwa omnye belapha ecakwami ke naqala ukumnda khwethwa ndathiwa xa umhlabe ecimba ndisulekile ukuba ndele so khanigushuzi kwaye kusemva kwami waqhwetha wathiwa caba uye wenza ke lo wabajonga kanye wagushuza ndive kudutshulwa apha ecakwami.
Amaphoyisa athi phezulu kophenyo kanti bekungakaboshwa umuntu. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla. Endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngisebhekisdala eWestern Area.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi uFiroz Khatshali ugcizelele ubumqoka bokuba kuchibiyelwe umthetho ozolekelela ekulweni nenkinga yezimayini engekho emthethweni kuleli. uSolwazi uKhatshali usho lokhu ngenkathi ehambele eBapong esifundazweni Northwest kanye nomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uJenene uFani Masimula.
Those involved in illegal mining are also part of cartels. They take over residential areas. They shoot people. They kill people. As I explained in the earlier on, a police officer reported that her husband had been shot. Another lady reported that her 8-year-old son had been shot. This is not economic development. They are destroying the potential for wealth creation and development in the country.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi Firoz Khatshali uchaze kabanzi ngokuvakasha kwabo namhlanje eBapong esifundazweni Northwest. AbakwaZidlodlo basabophe abangamashumi nomuvo abamba ngokungemthetho kanti njengamanje bafuna ukwazi ukuthi obani ongqondongqondo bakho ukumba ngokungemthetho.
The police are here to investigate, arrest and put an end.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubehamba nomkhuzi wawo wamaphoyisa kuzolonke kanye noNdunankulu waseNorthwest.
Usihlalo we-NFP KwaZulu-Natal osemisiwe esikhundleni uMbali Shinga uhlela ukuthatha inyathelo zomthetho ngesinqumo sokumiswa kobulungu bakhe eqenjini. Ubuholi obuphezulu be-NFP buthathe isinqumo sokumisa uShinga emva kokushaya indiva umyalelo weqembu ukuthi avotele ukuphasiswa kwesiphakamiso se-MK Party esishamthetho saKwaZulu-Natal sokuthi kuchithwe ngevoti uNdunankulu esifundazwe uThami Ntuli. I-NFP ithi uMbali Shinga kuyena kuphela ilungu leqembu esishamthetho wahlulekile ukulandela umyalelo obukhishwe ubuholi beqembu obuhambisana nokweseka isiphakamiso se-MK Party. uShinga owengamele umnyango wezenhlala kahle kuhulumeni wobumbano esifundazweni uhlela ukuthola izeluleko zomthetho ngenhloso yokuphosela inselele ukumiswa kobulungu bakhe ku-NFP. Kusenjalo usomlomo esishamthetho KwaZulu-Natal usememezele ngokumiswa kwamalungu esishamthetho asolwa ngokuba ingxenye yokuxova ukuhlala kwesishamthetho ngomsombuluko wedlule. Imeya kumasipala weTheku uCyril Xaba uthi sinyukile isibalo seyivakashi eyilokhu itheleke eThekwini kulesi sikhathi samaholiday okuphela konyaka. uXaba uphinde waqinisekisa ukuthi iningi lamabhishi eThekwini okubhukuda anamanzi ahlanzekile futhi alungele ukubhukuda. Uthi umasipala uyaqhubeka nokuqapha inhlanzeko yamanzi emabhishi masonto onke.
The festive season is showing a clear and measurable uplift in tourism activity across Durban. Strong attendance at signature events, increased accommodation occupancy, expanded tour operations, cruise passenger arrivals, and high beachfront usage all point to sustained festive demand.
Mbukeli sasiqu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT. Iphini lemeya umasipala waseBitoya Western Cape uNokuzolo Kholwaphi uthi silithoyizi isibhamu abonakala esiqhumisa kuvideo esabalale einkundleni zokuxhumana. Sikubingelele mbukeli isiphinde sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi sebebane abantu abashonile ngenxa yezikhukhula ezihlasele ezingxenyeni zesifundazwe eKwaZulu-Natal ngemva kokutholwa kwezidumbu zabalisa ababili abemukene nezimoto zabo eManzimtoti eningizimu yeTheku. Mbukela sikukhumbuze ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus ungena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Iphini lemeya yomasipala waseBitoya Western Cape uNokuzolo Kholwaphi uthi siyithoyizi isibhamu abonakala esiqhumisa kuvideo esabalale einkundleni zokuxhumana. Amaphoyisa aqinisekisile ukuthi uKholwaphi usevulelwe amacala amabili okuqhumisa isibhamu esidlangalaleni.
Isenzo sikaKholwaphi sixakwe kabukhali luluntu namaqala ezopolitiko. Olushicilelo luthathethwe ngethuba lomgidi wonyana wakhe ngecawe. Kwingxelo yonondaba uziphendulele ngelithi lo mkhono wekati ngowokudlalisa. Iqela le-ANC limemelela ukuba kuthatyathwa amanyathelo ngakulenyewe.
Asizuvumelana tu nalento ayenzayo xa sisemgidini ke asihambe sidubula yonke le ndawo. Kukho abantwana, kukho abantu abamileyo abangawonzakala because of i-actions zakhe. Sithi makaphandwe, sithi makaboshwe, sithi makakhutshwe kwamasipala.
uKholwaphi utyhole iqela le-ANC ngokusebenzisa esi siganeko ukuzuza amanqaku ezopolitiko. Iqela lakhe i-IPM lilala ngubenye neqela le-DA kurhulumente wendibanisela olawula umasipala waseBito.
The DA notes the allegation regarding the discharge of a firearm at a cultural event. We do not condone the discharge of firearms in public under any circumstances. 2 SAPS cases have been opened and the investigation is underway. We will await due process.
Amapolisa anqinile ukuba amalungu asekuhlaleni avule izimangalo. Kungoku nje kuphandwa amatyala amabini elokhomba ngomkhono wekati ehlangalaleni nelo lokudubula ngomkhono wekati kwingingqi kamasipala. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingusiphiwe Gobasi eGeorge.
Inkantolo ekhethekile emacala ezemali ePitoli isichithile isicelo sebhayili yomholi wohlangothi lwebandla i-International Pentecostal Holiness uMichael Sandlana. USandlana ubhekene nezinsolo zamacala enkohlakalo nokushintshiselana ngemali ngendlela engekho emthethweni ecaleni lezinsolo zokufumbathisa ijaji lenkantolo ephakeme uPortia Phahlane ngenhloso yokuthi avune uhlangothi lwakhe odabeni olusesigcawini senkantolo.
uSandlana nguyena kuphela wenqatshelwe ibhayili njengoba abamangelelwa abathatha asolwa nabo ukubalwa kubone ijaji uPhahlane bengaphandle. Imantshi ichaze uSandlana njengomuntu ongenalo iqiniso ngenxa ukuthi ebufakazini bakhe basenkantolo uthe wayengekho endaweni esehlakalo ngesikhathi amalungu athile ohlangothi lwebandla lakhe ehlasela amaphoyisa ayegasela ukuzombopha.
It is alleged from this paragraph that since Mr. Tshepo Phuthi's involvement in a bitter civil dispute, he has been chased away from the church and has been in hiding since June 2025 as his life has been threatened. The reason, based on the content of the affidavit of Mr. Tshepo Phuthi for publishing this, is that his secret would not go to the grave with him, and he is under threat of being killed, as he knows a lot of negative information about the unlawful activities.
uSandlana nabamangelelwa abathatha asolwa nabo babhekene nohide lwamacala ayishumi ahlobene nenkohlakalo kanye nokushintshiselana ngemali.
That the applicant herein is downplaying his role playing in the evidence presented before that court, in the sense that he is suggesting that the case of the state is either weak or non-existent.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhlazi yisithupha kuNdasa unyaka ozayo kusaqhutshwa uphenyo.
Senyuke safinyelela kwabangama-20 isibalo sabakhwetha sebeshonile kulesi sikhathi sehlobo sokuqhuba lolusiko esifundazweni Eastern Cape. Obhekele ezomdabu uZolile Williams uthi lesimo siyakhathaza kakhulu njengoba ezinye zezikhungo zingekho emthethweni.
Uhulumende wephondo uthi noxa nje uzamile ukuqinisekisa ixesha lolwaluko elisulungekileyo nelingenaziphene usebenzisa imithetho mayithotyelwe ngeli xesha. Uphawule ukuba asekho amagingxigingxi kwiingcibi nakumakhankatha ekuqhubeni elisiko ngendlela eyiyo. Kweli xesha lolwaluko lehlobo kuluswe amakhwenkwe angaphezu kwama400 ngendlela engakho mthethweni ze ama80 nangaphezulu angena ezibhedlele. Uhulumende wephondo uthi abazali babonakalise ukoyisakala ekhuseleni elisiko kozungulichele.
Kule season yolwaluko sifumanisa into bana kunyanzeleke ukuba sibambe abazali bade babe babini ngokungafuni abantwana baselamanzi esuthwini, okwesibini ngokuba base abantwana kumasuthu angekho mthethweni.
Idolophu ezisemaphandleni zibhalise amanani aphezulu okubhubha kwabakhwetha nalapho isithili OR Tambo siphulukene nabakhwetha abasixhenxe. Isebe lemicimbi yemveli lithi oku kubangwa kukungaziwa kakuhle kwesiko lolwaluko kwesasithili.
The challenge ye OR Tambo is no matter they say they practice this custom in the true sense, they don't practice it, but they circumcise each other.
Elsebeliti lizimisela ukusebenza nazo zonke iziphathimandla eqinisekiseni ukwehla kwezinga lokubhubha kwabakhwetha kwixesha lolwaluko elizayo. Ndingusidima Mfeku kwindaba ze-SABC ndiseMonti.
Kushone umuntu oyedwa kwathi abanye balimala ngesikhathi kushayisana imoto ezine emgwaqeni N1 eEsterburg eduze kwasePulukwane eLimpopo.
Lengozi yenzeke emgwaqeni N1 phakathi kwaseMokopane nasePulukwane. Sekubikwe izingozi eziningi kulomgwaqo kuleminyaka yedlule. Umnyango wezokuthutha eLimpopo ukhuthaza abashayeli bezimoto ngokuthi bacophelele kakhulu uma kunemvula. Sekubikwe izingozi ezingaphezulu kwe150 eLimpopo selokhu kuqala inyanga uZibandlela.
The reports we're getting is that one person who was critically injured as he was supposed to be airlifted and unfortunately succumbed to injuries, and then 5 other people are moderately injured and then they have been attended on the scene.
Ukugcwala kakhulu kanye nokushayela ngesivinini eseqile sekuqagule ukuthi khona kuyimbangela izingozi esifundazweni.
The major problem at the moment was the Malaysia as well as the issue of speeding. We've arrested over 5,000 people for speeding. Mopani and the Capricorn district being the major contributor with over 1,400 people that we've arrested for speeding is a major concern.
Kwandiswe amaphoyisa emgwaqeni emkhulu eLimpopo.
Isikhungo esibhekele imingcele iBorder Management Authority sithi sizokwengeza isibalo sezisebenzi emngceleni ophakathi kwelakuleli neMozambique iLibombo ukubhekana nesibalo esiphezulu sabantu sabangenayo nabaphumayo kuleli. Namhlanje izinkulungwane zabantu zichithe amahora amaningi zilinde ukudlula kulomngcele.
Babhodla umlilo abagibeli nabashayeli okuphela amahora belinde ukuwela umngcele eLibombo. Amaloli ebeshaye ujenga olungaphezulu kwamakhilomitha ngama-30 emgwaqeni N4 kusukela ekseni nabantu bebelinde kuhlonzwe izitifiketi nezincwadi kanye nemininingwane edingakalayo.
The queue is very slow today, so we're not sure what's going on. It's really frustrated. People are tired, so we've been here for like more than 3 hours.
So my frustration is just that there were some people going through the queue in front of us. You know?
I was here since on Saturday, late, and then Sunday, today's Monday morning. I'm still trying to get in the border.
iBorder Management Authority izokwengeza nesibalo sezisebenzi njengoba ilindele ukuthi umthamo unyuke.
just in the past 2 days, we've been at least sitting at around 25,000 people that we've been able to process from South Africa going into the Mozambican side. And that is the number that we're expecting it to escalate as we go into tomorrow and ultimately when we go to the 24th.
Ukusebenzisa ubuchwepheshe ukuqapha ubugebengu sekuphinde kwaboshwa nidlanzana belizama ukuwela umngcele ngemthetho.
Mbukeli njengamanje Bafana igadulisana neAngola emidlalweni wokuqala weAfrica Cup of Nations eMarrakesh kwelaseMorocco. Hayi sizwe ngathi impela iBafana siliqulele phakathi lokuqala ke siucoshe bukhoma lo mdlalo.
Immediately Ronald Williams makes the call and claims that one with some ease. Now this should make things very interesting. It'll open the game up because it's already been a fairly open game. I think they will want to get back on level terms, Angola. Can I remind you, never have Angola beaten South Africa at a Nations Cup. But also Angola have a proud record of not losing their opening matches in the past. As Apollos has muscled off the ball there, illegally so. The last time these sides faced each other at a Nations Cup was in 2013 at the Moses Mabhida Stadium when South Africa were host.
Mbukeli umhlahle wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu nesangoma sezulu umkhushulwa Msimanga. Mbukeli sizibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona namuhla kusasa bakhonoza kwethu neindaba ngolwimi lwesiXhosa ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.